Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, it is Monday and we have a beautiful unboxing from Alembika.
Welcome lovelies. Alembika. Big box full. How can it get any better? It's like, Tessa asks me sometimes, are you getting tired of doing this? And I always say no. How can you get tired of this? Really, it's like these gorgeous clothing that we can show to you lovelies. And
Well, my brothers used to always say, is mom still working? Is mom still working?
They made her feel bad.
And I would say, it's her choice. It's not mine.
She doesn't have a whip behind the door.
No, I do not.
No, I love it.
No, she does love it.
I do really love it, yeah. Plus I get to meet you lovelies and working with the girls in the boutique. And it's great. I kind of took a break this summer with all the wedding stuff going on.
Your shoulder.
And my shoulder, hello.
Because I remember the day it happened, you were supposed to be in the boutique.
Oh my God.
And we had ladies here because we were announcing if Lousje was here on a Saturday.
That's right, we just
started
started it.
Here, and it was like 11, quarter after 11, and the girls called me and I said, I don't know. So then finally I called Glenn because you weren't answering, and he answered and, hi Tessa. Oh, your mom's at the emergency. And I was like, what?
Why didn't you call me? Oh, yeah.
You.
Oh, my. Sometimes.
And then I said, oh, well, that explains it because the girls, I said, no, she'll be there. She'll be there. And then she wasn't there, but well, how could she?
I know. Well, that was actually, that took a big chunk out of the summer.
Yeah.
That was a very traumatic experience for me, but I will do maybe a little couch talk on it. I found an amazing new yoga studio.
Oh, nice, yes.
Yeah, it's hot yoga and it's right 5 minutes away. I needed another venue because I went back and I couldn't go any further now. It brought back such bad memories, yeah.
Really? You're probably afraid.
Yeah.
I don't even know how you're doing yoga still.
Yeah, yoga is pretty good. I now have a bar that I hang on. And I don't do pull-ups or anything. Oh my God, no.
At home?
Yeah.
Oh, the bar that my kids keep talking about. Oscar keeps saying, I want a bar like Oma.
Yeah, I didn't know, but they secretly go upstairs and hang on the bar. But it is amazing. It's really amazing. And my chiropractor urged me to get one. And Glenn put one up for me. And at first I could just hold on like this. But even to bring this one even with this one was a big thing. Now... And then I could hang for 3 seconds. Now I can hang for 20 seconds, but it hurts.
Does it?
I told my chiropractor, I'm afraid I'm going to pass out. She said, no, that's normal. You just push through the pain.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Well, she said the bone has healed, of course, but all the muscles around it are still in shock, right? Okay. So you need to make them stronger again. Anyway, that is fantastic. But the point of the story was I wasn't here much in the summertime on Saturdays, but I'm going to make a point of going to be here probably from 10 to 1, something like that, Tessa, 11 to 1. And then I get to meet you lovelies. And we always have such a good time. We chit-chat on the couch. Charlie comes and sits right next to you.
Come on, Char. Come on. He's just staring at us.
Not too fast
Come on,
now.
buddy.
Not too fast.
Come on.
Come. Up you go. Come.
Oh my God, he's giving us the devil eye.
Up you go.
Come on.
Up.
Come.
There you go. Yay! We're going to wait with trimming him because it's going to get cold soon. And then he's going to get trimmed. Yeah. But he marks again how fat he is. But he's
so cute.
He's triple coated. He's very thick, his fur.
Yeah, he looks great.
Okay.
And so do you, Mama.
And so do I.
Oh.
Tessa, this is one of these outfits. I would have this on all the time.
Cozy, comfy.
Right?
Yeah, great colors
this
on you.
This is cute too, eh?
I know. I love it. I know.
And this dress, it's adorable. It's a little, very feminine, a little baby doll dress, right? Is what they call this. This neckline is really cute.
Beautiful.
It's got quarter sleeves. I love it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous on you.
And you.
And me, I have on the Cozen dress, ladies, and I put on the long Lousje Bean tank dress just to show you. To have a little peeking out of the black. I like it.
These little sleeves are so cute on you. Yeah, with a little pleat here. So cute.
Yeah. And then when it gets chillier, we can do a mesh top.
Yeah, for sure.
But I thought I'd bring in the black back here, just a subtle, and
very
then
nice.
Some Ziska earrings to boot.
Okay.
Okay, we have
work to
box
do
here from Alembika. It is going to take us a while. You are not going to be disappointed. You're going to be so excited. Some beautiful shades to come here. Some beautiful fabrics. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to go add it. So we have Lousje's favorite pants.
Oh my.
But we just got one color, ladies.
How cool.
And if we could pick one, this would be it.
Yeah, it's like paintbrushes.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Silver, yeah.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Same exact fit, ladies, as we've had over the last year.
Beautiful.
Great pant. It's so feminine.
Lots of stretch.
Lots of stretch.
It's the cut that does it. The cut is amazing.
It is amazing.
It's an art, right? And the fabric.
The fabric.
So when you look at it like this, like from a certain angle, it's like it looks like leather.
Yeah, got a good.
Get a little bit of a badass.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. And to go with this, we wanted to curate some outfits for you here. We'll be styling them up for you tomorrow for sure, but we're just going to give you some ideas here.
Oh, my.
Look at this sweater.
Oh, Tessa, beautiful.
Gorgeous,
yeah.
eh?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So,
look at this.
Beautiful taupey color.
What
feels amazing.
Casual winter outfit you could wear, you know, every day.
Little pocket here.
Yeah.
There's 3 sizes in this, I believe. Extra small, small, medium, large.
Okay.
Large.
Beautiful. Yeah. Well, we'll go into detail when we style them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Into the detail of the design.
You can imagine what a great outfit
and the fabric, for sure.
Yeah. And then we did it in the gray.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Also nice.
Also nice with the pants.
Yeah, because of the different colors.
Yeah, these would go with a lot.
Yeah, you know? It's like a chameleon.
Chameleon.
Yeah.
Ladies, did you ever notice their matching tattoos?
Ruby told me that she is going to get one.
She wants I said you can. I'm so bad. You guys.
I heard.
I'm sorry. Please
heard.
don't judge me, ladies. She said, well, she's only 17, right? And she said, oh, my friends are getting tattoos now and I want a tattoo. And I said, the only tattoo you can get is the butterfly. I said, until you're 21, then you can choose
Mama
to do what
control.
you want. No, and then I said, she's like, okay, but mine's going to be different. And I said, no, we have to do the same.
Why doesn't she want the same?
I don't know.
Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Yours is still beautiful too.
But look at, you had yours.
When
tell the story.
Oh, I told the story so often. We were in Florida with a few friends, or we met these people that became friends, and we went to a bar and we had a few wines, and Lou Tattoo was next door, and Lou Tattoo was open till like 2 o'clock in the morning, and we all said, let's go and get a tattoo, and yes, and I was the first one, and then I was the only one, because they all chickened out.
I forgot that story.
Yes.
Oh
I was so peeved, but I was never sorry that I had it. And you know, Lou Tattoo was famous at the time. He was old. He looked like a motor gang biker guy. Anyway, he was famous. And I forget where, but I met somebody years after, and he checked out my tattoo. And he said, did you get that at Lou Tattoo? I was like, yes. He said, well, he had a certain style. And so I was probably 21 or no, 20. Anyway, let's say I was 30. So 45 years later, it's still as bright as ever.
Yeah, beautiful.
Really. So thank you, Lou.
That's awesome. Oh my God, so fun. All right, ladies, what is next in this beautiful box here? So we've had many requests for Alembika pants.
Yeah.
And this is one of the wider legs. Absolutely gorgeous
Oh
fit.
my goodness. What a fun fit. That is adorable.
Yeah. Pockets.
Look at these pockets.
Little cargo pocket on there. Look at little.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Nice, eh?
Very, very nice.
Yeah. This is classic Alembika.
What a gorgeous brand. And the size goes up 1 to 5, right, Tess?
Yeah. Yeah. And then we did this beautiful olive color, which is very popular
in the pant too?
In the pant too.
Oh, nice. Lovely.
Super cool.
Super cool.
And we have some cool items to go with.
A fly stitched.
Yeah. So we got this little vest, which I absolutely adore.
Oh, this is adorable.
Isn't that great?
Yeah. It's quilted, lovelies. It's a quilted jersey.
And that's the same fabric as in the pants on the pockets.
Yeah.
Very cool. And look, it's lined on the inside.
Oh, yeah. Look at the detail. Oh, yeah. So, so cool.
And then I did get a piece to go with which I thought you would love.
This is right up my alley.
So it is a long sort of turtleneck dress, tunic, I
Yeah.
would say. But it's fine enough that you can, you know, bring it up a bit and wear it with the pants, tuck it in.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Viscose.
Yeah, it's like heaven. The
That
fabric
European
is
fabric.
a
right?
stunner.
Yeah.
So
Look how nice that is with the olive.
cool, eh?
Yeah.
I know. It's
Lovely.
going to be a beautiful outfit.
Yeah.
So watch out tomorrow, ladies. We're going to style them up. So we had to do the vest and blah.
Of course.
Gorgeous.
Of course. Look at that.
Yeah, super cool.
Even this and this and this.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Break it up. It'll be so much fun to style. I can't wait. So we got a basic here. This is a beautiful piece. Alembika actually has a lot of basics. This is a dress.
Oh.
It's a beautiful slinky dress.
Oh, wow.
And it's got a little mock neck here.
Beautiful.
So you can wear the
It's-
vests over it
Yeah.
because it's got a nice little hang to it.
Yeah. It's that travel fabric that
Yeah.
you just bring with you and goes like this.
Yeah.
And then it goes like that and you wear it.
No wrinkles, just hang it out.
Oh,
And it'll be
beautiful. And the
fine.
weight. Nice drape.
Nice long necklace, elongate it, wear the vest.
Pockets. The
You know,
vest,
The
right?
vest, the olive vest.
Yes, you
Super
could even
cool.
wear the sweater over it. Yes.
Yeah, you could wear the
Yeah.
sweater over for sure.
For sure.
And then here's the little cat's meow that I'm gonna pop out of the box that I should wait till the end, but I won't keep you in suspense. But this can go over top.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh my.
This is the jacket.
Oh, Tessa.
Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this on, ladies.
My.
The
Oh.
fabric. Oh.
My goodness, they know what they're doing.
They know what they're doing. Nice waterfall front pockets, nice big chunky coat.
Yeah.
But there is also,
Nice
in the two pieces, I couldn't resist. We had to do
vest.
the vest as well. Charlie's going to be mad.
Oh, he's going to be in heaven. He loves to be cozy here.
And then this could go over the dress as well. Look at this.
Oh, wow. Oh,
that cool?
yeah.
Absolutely
Oh,
gorgeous
yes.
piece. And it's got a great...
Oh, this is a braiding. I would call it a braided trim. It's absolutely
Beautiful.
unique. Sorry, Charlie.
Waterfall again. Gorgeous
yeah.
fit. You can definitely pin it up if you like.
Wow.
I know. Isn't it cool?
Too cool.
Too cool. Too cool, too cool. I'm like, what is this?
Yeah.
Another pair of pants. This is a little more cash. It's
Oh,
a viscose, like a t-shirt fabric,
Oh,
but a little
right.
more weightier.
but it does have the lantern.
It's got a very unique bottom.
Yeah.
It gives it a very cool detail.
Yeah, and the drape of it, of course, is absolutely stunning.
Stunning. Nice high-waisted.
Yeah.
pant.
But this
That'll
could
be
be very
beautiful on.
dressy too, Tessa.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
of the drape,
Yeah,
right?
no, absolutely.
Wow.
So
lovely.
comfortable. You could wear the long tunic over it with the vest. So beautiful. Oh my, oh my. What else do we have here? Oh, for the sweaters, we got to pull out the beige sweater because I have a piece that we bought just to go with
Oh,
it.
really?
Yeah, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So, look at these
Do pray
Beautiful.
tell, is this?
dark chocolatey
Oh,
colors.
oh my.
So this is a skirt, ladies.
Oh my.
It's actually two pieces. So there's a little, a slip
An underpinning
Yeah.
out of that nice slinky fabric. So
Yeah.
it slides.
slide. And it's a
Oh.
mesh underneath, so you can see.
Yeah.
But this slip,
Oh my gosh, Tessa.
so it's all together. And then you can wear it with this sweater. I tried it on. It
Oh,
was like
how chic and beautiful is
unbelievable.
this?
It was so cool.
If you want to go to an event and you want to be very comfortable,
Yeah. Comfortable yet classy.
so chic.
Yeah, so chic. Ladies, this fabric, so it is a mesh, but it's got this raised kind of velvet dot
Yeah.
on
Oh,
it.
it is a velvet. Yes.
Yeah, and it's got layers here, so it's quite substantial and beautiful.
Embossed, I would say.
Yeah, and it's such a pretty color, so you can definitely play with how you want to.
What you're gonna wear with it? Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we got here?
Oh.
They do such nice
Oh,
dresses.
yeah.
And the way they play with their fabric.
Yeah,
So
oh,
here's
yeah,
a gorgeous dress.
Stunning. This embossed again velvet
With the
taffeta.
French. Well, this is a cotton actually, I
Is
would
it?
think. Yeah, it feels like cotton.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Like maybe
yeah.
cotton and
yeah, no, you're
poly,
absolutely
but
right.
it's
Yeah.
definitely got a cotton feel.
Yeah, but the
Velvet.
feel of this velvet.
I know. It's a beautiful
Because
velvet.
there's a difference in velvet.
I know.
velvets,
It's
yeah.
not a crushed, it's nice.
Oh,
just
it's absolutely
flat,
beautiful.
cozy.
Yeah.
That'll be awesome on.
Oh.
That is like no brainer, as we say, ladies.
Is
no
there
brainer.
more?
There is more.
Wow.
So they had this print. I thought it was so classy.
Oh yeah.
And they had quite a few pieces in it, but I just got 2. So
yeah.
this is like a classic tunic.
And how slimming is that on your eye? You know?
It's beautiful.
Oh wow.
A nice color for a lot of skin tones.
Yeah, for sure. Does it have pockets? Of course. Very different, very unique pockets.
Yeah.
Coming out of this side seam, and it's a little floppy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, watch tomorrow, ladies, because when we style it up, we really play with it so you can see the movement. And then here is the skirt.
You know what you can tell too? It's quality because it's printed on both sides. You know, there's the black background.
Yeah.
And then printed on, which, the quality of these pieces
is gorgeous.
Yeah. Oh,
so here is a skirt, a very
nice.
Simplistic,
That is very nice. That's different.
Simplicity at its best.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. You can wear that with just a turtleneck, ladies.
Yeah.
Or you can pair it up with
this.
It's a beautiful outfit. I tried it on when I was buying the collection, and it was so classy together.
If you wear this together, you will look 6 feet tall.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a stunner.
Well, we're going to have to go fisticuffs tomorrow. And who's going to
style what? Ooh, that's so funny. All right, so I have 2 pieces left here, and the piece de resistance. Well, I feel like there's a lot of pieces de resistance here, but
sure.
A beautiful dress.
Beautiful.
The fabric is a stunner.
Oh,
absolutely
Tessa.
Gorgeous. So we
can't wait to start.
I know.
Showing this.
Yeah. So we have it in the gold here. Great little cuffs. The fabric's nice and crunched. It's so beautiful to the eye. And then we did it in silver too. We couldn't decide, so we did it in both. And there is
equally
the silver.
Equally gorgeous.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Look at that, ladies.
Oh.
And it's got such nice details here.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the little ribbon here. Fantastic.
See, I think there's pockets.
Yep. Yeah. There.
Side slit, which is so nice. We love our pockets.
Exactly. Nice little stand-up collar.
Yeah.
Are you over excited?
Are you excited?
Because we are.
Yeah.
I'm over excited.
Did you love it? What's your favorite pieces?
Yes,
love
let
to
us
hear.
know.
Let us know in the comments. And,
probably after tomorrow when you've seen them on, you can give us a good review.
Can't wait to style it up. When it's good clothes, you feel so good in it, right? Like when you have a good outfit on, you just feel like so.
$1 million.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
All right.
So scoop Charlie up from underneath all the blankets.
I can't believe he's not roasting away there. He does love it.
Yeah.
All right. Please hit a thumbs up, ladies, if you enjoyed the video. Let us know your comments, your favorite pieces, and what you thought of our choices of the Alembika Fall Winter Collection. We will be here tomorrow to style these up for you. And as Lousje always says,
keep on smiling.